Hello everyone, this is Dabong, and in today's video guys, I will be showing you some items that are very useful for your Fivem server, and I think you're gonna like this one. This is a hacking device for a car. So I will show you how this thing works. So like for example, you're inside of a car and you are like following another car. There's something like this. You just have to use this one, and you can select which one. Let's say disable the engine. So like this one, you have to enter, you have to type in, sorry, you have to press the enter button, and it will disable the engine of the car, as you can see. But since we are dealing with in pieces, they can turn on the car. It's kind of, I don't know what to say about this car item or a hacking device, but it's kind of useful anyway. Okay, let's try another options for this. You just have to use this and you can make the and actually guys, there's a player fee for this, which is $5,000, or a local fee is 100 cab. I don't know what's the cab means, but you can adjust it on the config files. So let's say we are going to use this explode vehicles. You just have to select this one, and then let's say it will identify a vehicle near beside you, so you can let's try. Okay, so let's say this one, you just have to hit the enter button, and it will automatically explode the it will trigger the request that you want. Sorry about my English guys. Okay, I'm just trying my best. So this, another thing is you can open the doors. So let's try that one. Oh, they ran away. So let's say enter. No, it does not detect anything. Let's say this one. As you can see, it's kind of funny, and I think it will be useful. I don't know if it is useful for you guys, but I think I love this one. So you can also use again, and you can pop the tires. So since we currently executed some hack on this vehicle, when we press enter, I think there's a cooldown, but this one, the cooldowns just run out. As you can see guys, the tires just pop up. Okay. Something great happened on that car. Now let's try again. Let's say swerve left. I don't know how to read that one, but that's how I read it. We just have to hit enter and it will it's kind of funny, let's try again. This one. Oh, yo. So guys, what up? That's it. Alright guys, if you like our video, we're sharing a lot of scripts for Fivem to use, and I will recommend this one for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. And if you want to join our Discord channel, which we share a lot of Fivem scripts, actually guys, you can use that one. Okay, it's on the description, and bye bye.